Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, let's find the square root of 3136 using the Abacus tool. So first we have to group this number into two from the right side. So 36 will be in one group and 31 will be in another group. Let's take the question on the tool. I would prefer to choose the house pointer, the pointer rods to place my number according to the place wise. So I'll place 3136. Now since I have grouped into two, my answer will be a two-digit number. So let me consider these two rods to be my answer rod. Now I have to find the number when square is near to 31 or is 31. So when I square 5 times 5, that is 5 5s are is 25. 5 when squared is 25. So I can take 5 25. So I'll minus 20 and minus 5. Now I have a number. I have to divide this number by 2. 2 3s are is 6, 2 1s are is 2, 2 8s are is 16. Now I have a number. So 5 into something will not give me 3. So I'll consider both the rods. 5 into 6 are is 33 and 0. Now I have 18. 6 times 6, that is 6 square is 36. 36 half is 18. So I'll remove this 18. My final answer is 56. So 56, when I square 56, I'm going to get 3136. I hope this video was helpful. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel and support me. Your subscription motivates me to upload more such videos. See you all in my next video. Take care.